let us discuss a question in which an aluminium foil of negligible thickness placed between plates of a capacitor. How will its capacitance changes? First part is foil is electrically insulated, and the second part is foil is connected to the upper plate of a conducting wire. So, to understand this question, let us make a simple diagram. Suppose this is the capacitor, a parallel plate capacitor of, say, capacitance of this parallel capacitor is C, and let the thickness distance between these two plates is D. As in this question, an aluminium foil is placed between these two plates, so effective distance between the plates remains D by 2. If we discuss about the first case, the effective distance becomes D by 2, so capacitance will become 2C. Because we know that capacitance is inversely proportional to D, and since the effective distance between the two plates of the capacitor becomes D by 2, so the effective capacitance will be 2C in this case. So these capacitors can be treated in series combination, and equivalent capacitance in series combination CS will be equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Putting the values of the capacitances, that is 2C multiplied by 2C divided by 2C plus 2C. This will becomes 4C square divided by 4C. Now cancelling 4 with 4 and C square with C, we get C. So the equivalent capacitance for this series combination is C. So we can simply say that there is no effect of putting the aluminium foil between the plates of the capacitor, as it remains C. Now the second part. What happens to the second part? In case of second part, here it is said that foil is connected to upper plate with a conducting wire. In this case, this plate is connected to this, somewhat like this. So this becomes another plate and this becomes ineffective. So there is no role of this plate in this case. So the effective distance remains D by 2. So this is the D by 2 is the distance, as capacitance initially its capacitance was C, and this time the distance remains D by 2. So capacitance will becomes 2C. So capacitance of the capacitor will becomes twice of the initial capacitance. If you find any kind of difficulty understanding this type of concept, please write into the comment section. Thank you.